So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, after he settled the conversation between him and angels, and then angels understand Allah make creation, this Adam, the human being, and put on the earth for a purpose. And Allah said, and when we said to angels, prostrate for Adam, sajda for Adam, not to Adam but for Adam, because he's being appointed as a Khalifa on earth. So he's given honor. So it is command of Allah to sajda for Adam. And Allah said, fasajadu, they all make sajda to Allah. Illa Iblis, except the Iblis. Aba wastakbara min al-kafirin. He refused it and he become arrogant and he become among the disbelievers. So when you refuse the command of Allah and you become arrogant, then the next thing you will be going to become a disbeliever. And same thing which I explained during the lectures during night, that because of the jealousy, because of the hatred, and because of the arrogance, because of the anger, the arrogance, the Iblis, he refused it. And what is explained in the other part of the Quran, وَكَانَ مِنَ الْجِنِّ, the Iblis was among the jinn. But there were all the angels who were commanded, and the jinn was, this Iblis was among them. So Allah said, wal malaika, because always the majority will be called upon. And now, when you refuse it and you become arrogant, and he becomes the disbeliever. And then what is the next thing? Allah said, وَقُلْنَا يَا آدَمُ اسْكُنْ أَنْتَ وَزَوْجُكَ الْجَنَّةَ وَكُلَا مِنْهَا رَغَدًا حَيْثُ شِئْتُمَا وَلَا تَقْرَبَا هَذِهِ الشَّجَرَةَ فَتَكُونُوا مِنَ الظَّالِمِينَ. And we said, O Adam, leave you and your wife in Jannah and eat wherever you like in it, whatever you like it, وَلَا تَقْرَبَا هَذِهِ الشَّجَرَةَ, and do not come near to that tree. So Allah allowed the Prophet Adam and his wife to eat wherever they like in Jannah, but they cannot eat from one tree. And that was the command of Allah. And that's meaning of Islam. The commandments of Allah to follow is the meaning of Islam. فَتَكُونَ مِنَ الظَّالِمِينَ. And if you will go eat from that tree, then you will become the Zalimin, the wrong, unjust people. فَزَلُّهُمَ الشَّيْطَانُ أَنْهَا فَخْرَجُوا مِمَّا كَانَ فِيهِ. Then Shaitan led them to go out from where they were. And we said, get out all of you. You will be enemy for each other. And you have a time, appointed time to live in the earth. وَمَتَعُنِ الْعِينَ. And there is a sustenance for you, the livelihood for you until a certain period of time. So now we can understand that disobedience of Allah is that you can be punished by Allah. As long as we always obey Allah, then Allah is be merciful to us. But when we started to disobey Allah, Allah inflicted the punishment. Like Prophet Adam and his wife were punished because they disobey Allah. And that is a work of Shaitan to let us to disobey Allah. So not to disobey Allah, but always to obey Allah, so will not be inflicted punishment of Allah upon us. May Allah guide us. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. Bil Alameen.